I kind of really like this hairstyle and I really like to rock it, but you have to learn how to deal with it. So I think it's time to go get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is something completely different. I will do a hairstyle tutorial because over the past years I just got so many questions on Instagram. How do I style my hair? And I have to say, usually by the nature, I have curls, even though that my hair is not the longest, but yeah, I tend to get curls. And this is the thing that I hated as a teenager. You know, I couldn't really find out the formula how to style them. So I was really not really comfortable with my hair. But of course, you know, over the last years, especially working in the fashion industry and everything, I got myself confidence. And I have to say that I finally found out how I should style my hair, especially with these short curls, because of course I don't have the curliest hair ever, but I have curls. So for me, it's very important to take the time and style them. So this is my routine. This is how I would style them on a daily basis. I don't know how many YouTube tutorials I watched. I could just never find a video that it would work for me because I don't know, it's just it worked for a couple of hours, but then, you know, it was not there where it should be. But I think now I found, let's say, the best formula that it works for me. You know, as you see, my hair on the sides are a little bit shorter than on top, but on top I have to have these kind of small curls, which I kind of really like. And it's just so effortless because, you know, they don't bother me during the day. The first things first, you have to take a shower. No, you don't have to take a shower if you don't want to, but the thing is your hair has to be wet. So I will take a shower and I'm gonna wash my hair with a shampoo. Let's go. After the hair is wet, kind of dip it. The towel soaks out a little bit the moisture and a little bit the wet of the hair. So the only thing that I did is just and I just lift it a little bit up. So it gets a little bit more volume. For sure, you're not allowed to rub it like a dog, you know. You just have to kind of soak it in. You have to put some product. On the market, there are just way too many products. So I found this one. I've been using it for quite a while now, especially for my curls. It's just nice because it fits into your bag, it fits to your pocket. So this is the one that I have now. I'm sure you know it. Obviously, this is not paid collab. It's just the one that I'm using currently. I was also trying some other clays, and I think it should work with the others. The only thing that you have to watch out is that it has to be matte paste. If you're gonna put this shiny finish, you're gonna look like John Travolta in Pulp Fiction. Matte finish is for sure the most important thing. So then you just do it. All right, let me see how much you're gonna put it. Don't exaggerate for the first time. Something like this. I put on one finger for the first time, you know, and then you will see it. And just put it on. And you just put it on your hands. And now, the most important thing, you just put it on. Up, down, and make sure that the product is all over your hair, especially the upper part. Obviously on the sides I have a little bit shorter, so the upper part is way more important for me. So I think that would work, but I'm gonna still put a little bit more because I have a feeling that behind there, in the middle, there was not enough. So yeah, you just have to, I don't know, get the feeling somehow. I put again now one finger more. So I would say all in all, for me, it worked a little bit less than 2 fingers, kind of. And basically all over again, the same thing. The thing is, I just try to put some volume in my hair. I would say the most important part is done. Now, what I would usually do is I would just wait a little bit, you know, and don't do anything with a hair dryer or anything. For me, it's now the most important thing is to just leave it, that it kind of air dries it. I would say that every 5 to 7 minutes, you just put a little bit more, you just check it out, because obviously, you know, if the hair is a little bit wet, it will go down a little bit. And yeah, you just put it up a little bit, and you just kind of with fingers, you just put a little bit kind of volume and just try to create some curves. All right, so this is after 10 minutes. I think it looks kind of already really nice. Of course, it's not like perfect, but that's exactly what curls are. I don't know, I just really like this kind of haircut when it's like on the side is a little bit like, let's say, shorter, and then on top you have a little bit longer hair, but that means that you have to style them basically every day. After the shower you have to take, I don't know, let's say 10 minutes, but I think then it's like effortless. So I think it's the best that you kind of try it out and let me know in the comments if that works for you. And of course I don't have like the longest hair, but I kind of really like to keep it that way. Hope you guys liked it, and yeah, make sure to subscribe for new lifestyle, fashion, travel videos, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Ciao.